Secondary Girls Final. Indino, Nitania, Joy, Southern 45ers, Red Armor versus Saison, Margaret Snow, Mind and Motion, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 3. Whether we like it or not, court number 3, Saison and Indino. Final round. Officials sa court number 3 will have to function court number 3. We're running out of time. Mike Miguel o si Biglasa Jihan. Please proceed to court number 3. Court number 3. Biglasa and Delphine. Yes, please proceed to court number 3. Biglasa is Blue Armor. Delphine is Red Armor. Visiting officials, please help. We will open court number 3. Court number 3 dito. Court number 3. Coach! Kasi sila. Tanya Joy. Tapi wala. Presidente Pumong ay supuminaw. Asa si Indino? Wala. Alam niya. Tuntison. Saison. Asa si Saison Snow? Okay. Court number 3. Wala na papel. Inspection team. Ito, court number 3. Function na ang court number 3 or malfunction? Okay, function hall. Very good. Magandang sa Green Team. Kasi bakit di-hire ang host Linawagan Margaret Alexa, Blue Armor versus Higamoa Kylie Jean, Red Armor. Please proceed to court number 2.
Elementary girls Lovey, Red Armor, Margot Villarreal Anbu versus Blue Armor, Ashley Gomez of Sicilian. Proceed to court 3. Again, elementary girls Lovey, Red Armor, Margot Villarreal Anbu versus Blue Armor, Ashley Gomez of Sicilian. Proceed to court number 3.
Katong ang wala ko announcement, katong ang wala ko gear, sparring gear, payo ko muli. No? Hindi na to kuhaon. Payo ko na to ang wala sa gear, sparring gear, i-oras sa stage. Payo ko.
Đây đầu ground one. Đây đầu ground one.
One to daw si Dato. Nga daw ko one.
Ground two. Hindi? Ito may aggressive din niya. Hindi na no?
Kaibigan Italia, Alvin Hana, coach for Southern 45ers, Jesmar, score 3.
Elementary girls novice, Red Armor, Erich Villajos, Tensencido Tituando versus Hazel May Tumaro, Sicilians, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 1. Villajos and Tumarong. Please proceed to court number 1. Secondary boys advance. Red Armor, Neil Ivan Pulitic, Sicilians versus Gerald Navarez, Alpha Taekwondo, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 1.
Quarterfinals, Red Armor, Mary Jane Literal of Sicilian versus Blue Armor, Stephanie Masluya of Southern 45ers. Proceed to court 3. Again, quarterfinals, Red Armor, Mary Jane Literal of Sicilian versus Blue Armor, Stephanie Masluya of Southern 45ers. Proceed to court 3.
Secondary boys advance. Red Armor, Neil Ivan Pulitic of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Gerald Navarez, Alpha. Please proceed to court